Hello and welcome to the Social Media Mastery for Real Estate Professionals course. I'm Grant Hackett, proud owner of Smart Sale Real Estate, and today we're diving into the world of YouTube, one of the most powerful tools in the marketing arsenal. Over the next 10 episodes, we'll explore everything from setting up your channel to creating engaging content and even how to monetize your efforts. First, let's talk about why YouTube is such a game changer for real estate. Did you know that YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, right after Google? Every day, billions of hours of video are watched by people looking for information, entertainment, and yes, even their next home. For real estate professionals, this means a massive opportunity to showcase your properties, build your personal brand, and connect with potential clients on a deeper level. Take a look at these successful real estate channels. Graham Stefan's channel, for instance, not only dives deep into real estate investment, but also provides market analysis and tips for aspiring investors. Then there's Ewan's Vilmazes, who made a name for himself by touring luxury properties in stunning detail. Loida Velasquez, some great names here, is a great example of how you can mix practical advice for agents with engaging, actionable content. And my personal favourite, and one I can pronounce, Mike Sherrard, specialist real estate leader who has helped over 5,000 real estate agents scale their businesses using social media. Whether it's giving virtual tours of stunning properties, offering tips for first home buyers, or sharing insights on the local market, mastering social media, these creators have all mastered the art of engaging their audience. And the best part, you can do it too. In this course, we'll cover everything you need to know to create your own thriving YouTube channel. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, it's important to get some realistic goals. What do you want to achieve with your channel? How much time are you prepared to engage? And how long are you prepared to wait for results? This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Whether your goal is increasing your visibility, generating leads, or establishing yourself as an industry expert, having clear objectives will guide your content strategy and keep you motivated. Remember, YouTube success doesn't happen overnight, but with consistency, creativity, and a solid plan, you'll start seeing results. By the end of this course, you'll have all the tools and knowledge to make your YouTube channel work for you and your business. So there you are, ready to get started. In our next episode, we'll walk through setting up your YouTube channel from scratch. So stay tuned. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you don't miss any of the upcoming content. Let's make your real estate business a YouTube success story. Until next time, Grant Hackett, Smart Sale Real Estate, signing off.